Hi, this is Luke, and these are the features and sounds of Elpiano from Klevgrand. Now this has loads of customizable sounds and effects available across 10 models in something that is under 200 megabytes as well. So a very small footprint, but the sounds are anything but. So Elpiano is really great to play. It's really responsive, and it also has those 10 sounds available, those 10 models. And it's not all about electromechanicals as well, so you get a DX as well. I also like the Arbor model. It's a little bit shorter. I'm liking the Precious model as well. So maybe just a bit more attitude there with this one. And here's my one, built around the Unsound model. I have 3 time-based effects available in Elpiano. I'm loving these room models. This is without and with. I have a number of simple models to choose from, and a very intuitive width control as well. And with the same level of control, I also have some reverb options available as well. This is without and with. And if I want to go under the hood, I've got some extra options available in the pop-up as well. I'm loving the delay as well. Nice organic sound. So a little bit more control there as well. And the filters have variable Q as well, so you can get some resonant sounds going on if you want. Got some very convincing amp sounds as well. I'm loving the overdrive. I've got mono or stereo miking options available. And a choice of cabinets too. I'm going with the large for now. And I also have a choice of modulation in 4 blocks across the bottom of Elpiano. Now, usefully, I have controls for wave shape. So you can see I've got these broken shapes that you would get in the original hardware. And stereo width as well for the 2 channels with a mono option. And if I do want to change the depth or the rate, I can get hold of the breakpoint to increase the amplitude or decrease it, or decrease the frequency of the LFO. And a very nice classic sounding phaser available as well. Elpiano manages to give me just enough tweakability to get the exact sound that I want without giving me tons of other stuff that I will never ever need to adjust. But all in all, great sounds and great playability there as well. So those are the features and sounds of Elpiano from Klevgrand. Tiny footprint piano with huge sounds and great playability. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.